Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can log in into your Amazon Prime account. In order to log in into your Amazon Prime account with another account, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to make sure that you've already installed the application or that you've updated the application. Now go ahead and open up your Amazon Prime account. So in order to log in into your Amazon Prime account, first thing first, make sure that you have already registered yourself. You already hold an account. So then to login into your account, click on already a customer, sign in. Basically, to login into your Amazon Prime account, you need to use your login credential of your Amazon account. So click on the continue button once you're done entering your information. After that, provide in the password. So after you type in your password, you'll be logged into your account. However, if you're unable to log in, then click on forgot password right over here, and after that you'll be able to see that a confirmation link will be sent to this particular email address. So click on the continue button. Now enter in your confirmation or an OTP, and you'll be able to recreate a new password, and after that you can log in with your updated information. So in this way you can log in into your Amazon Prime account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.